Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, February 27th, 2018. As we continue this busy week, we got to make sure that we are preparing for our tests and exams that we have coming up later on. In math tonight, you may use pages 284 and 287 to review for our Module 10 quiz tomorrow. In science, Earth's organisms quiz is tomorrow. Social studies, you need to finish your calligraphy. Language arts, it's a rare night off with nothing to do with the Watsons Go to Birmingham, as there is no homework. But remember, you do have your final test over the Watsons Go to Birmingham this Friday. In literature, AR points continue to be due on 2 weeks from this Friday, which is March 16th. You need to study your vocab, and a reminder that our Freedom Walkers final test and final vocab test are this week. Do not slack off and not prepare for it, because it is something that you definitely will need. That's it for this Tuesday. Make it a good one.